what I did here was I tied this string down here on this side, and then I tied it down here, and I made sure that all of these posts here were touching the string. And then I put in the anchors, like one right there. And I drilled those, and those are 1/4 inch by 7 inch anchors. So I put one there, and 3 more down on this other end. So yeah, this worked out really well. I had a gap here between this metal framing and that cement right there, and all I did was I put a couple of studs here, one here, one over here, and then I put a stud between them, and then I glued using construction adhesive, and I'm going to show you a picture of that. Here's what I used. This is liquid nails. Okay, I've got 2 places to put braces. One I will show you. Right here. All right, the other one is over here. And when I get this up, I'll put a screw right there, same on the other one, and then it'll hold it east and when I get it up, I'm going to put a screw to hold it east and west and north and south. Now these are 2 concrete anchors. They're both 1/2 inch by 6 inch. And what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to secure them with epoxy. And according to this, the instructions, you're supposed to use USP epoxy. But I'm just going to use regular epoxy. Well, this thing got completely destroyed right there. So, but I did get it all done. I got this side seated to where it's supposed to go. I got this one seated where it's supposed to go.